Introducing the 6-cavity all-electric fully automatic PET blowing machine. A game changer in bottle production. Achieve unmatched efficiency with a production capacity of up to 8,000 bottles per hour. Stay ahead with predictive maintenance, ensuring minimal downtime and seamless operations. Reduce your energy bills. This machine saves electricity by up to 40%. Smart automation means reduced labor costs, giving you more value for your investment. Future-proof your operations. Our machine is Industry 4.0 ready, designed for smart manufacturing. Boost your production, cut costs, and embrace the future of manufacturing. PET Plast India's 6-cavity all-electric fully automatic PET blowing machine. Innovation at its best.